Hello, this is a quick little tutorial on the new feature within our Gemini. It is the brisket button within our Gemini prompt. So you'll notice that I am logged in with my Unit 5 account. I have a simple prompt that's put in here. And if I want to click on the brisket button, what it will do is it will create an enhanced prompt that is specifically geared towards and for educators. And when it creates the enhanced prompt, I can go in here and I can edit any part of this prompt if I want to. And as you can see, it's a little bit more detailed than my simple one word prompt that I have. Now, if I want to, I can click on the add to prompt and then go ahead and have Gemini create what I'm wanting it to create, or I can click on this create with Brisk. So when I click on the create with Brisk, it's going to open up a new tab. And what's going to happen is not only will it create what the prompt is asking for, but it will also generate some other activities and resources that I could use. So as you can see, they are starting to populate down here. So like if I wanted to add this comprehension study guide, I will click over the plus and hit add to bundle. You'll see that it populates here. Maybe I want to have this Google presentation as well. So I add that to bundle. It even created a podcast for me. So I can click add to bundle. So those start to show up here. I then can start to scroll down more. You can see there's some engage activities. There's some assessment tools as well. So if I want to create the Egyptian social class quiz, I'll add that to the bundle and you'll see that they all are here. Now, once I click the create button, this is pretty cool. It will then create these documents, presentations, podcasts, and assessments. And it gives me the opportunity to add them automatically to my Google Drive. So you can see that they all are listed here. So when I hover over these, I can copy the link, I can open in a new tab on all of these, or if I want to, I can select resources are available in Google Drive. When I do that, it will open up a new tab within my Google Drive. As you can see, here's my Unit 5 account. And it takes a couple seconds for it to all load up. But you'll notice that it has the comprehension study guide here. It has our assessment here, and it has our presentation here. Now, the podcast actually is built within the Brisk management. So if you were to click on that, it will take you to the Brisk website that you then can push out to students through batch feedback, or you can add to your library. So this is what the podcast looks like. But going back just to the Google Drive, you'll notice if you follow the path, this is in my Drive. It's under now what's called Brisk Bundles. So when you click on this, it'll create a Brisk Bundles folder, and then it is in this comprehensive study guide and assessment. So I can rename these. I can move these around if I want to as well. But just kind of a cool little feature to have that you can actually create and then push out directly to your Google Drive. So that is the brisket button now being found within Google Gemini. If you don't have it right now showing up, it should start to roll out with accounts in the next few weeks.